there everyone, this is about my 10th time creating this video, but anyway, so I'm going to be teaching you how to finally understand Le Chatelier's principle. I'm pretty sure I pronounced that wrong, but that is not the point of this video. So, I'm going to talk about the two ways. I'm not going to bother saying the definition, but the two ways in which the equilibrium can be changed. So, it can be either changing the heat or changing the pressure. And this sheet helped me so much. Oh my gosh, I should have read it before when I took this test, because obviously I didn't do good. But anyway, so let's look at question 14 for a second. So the question is asking, when the concentration of ClAq is increased, the concentration of Ag plus AQ, what? So, you're looking at this first. This is the concentration is increased. So I put an arrow up. So this is pretty much considered the stress. And I know that anything next to the stress is going to be the opposite. So if this is increased, this is going to be decreased. And so, yeah, they ask you for Ag, so you know that it's going to be decreased. So you're going to look for decreases, so you can pretty much cross out C and D because they say increases in the beginning. So you have between A and B. So you have to find out the amount of AgCl if it increases or if it decreases. So I know that if it's increasing, I think of it as up, up, and away to the other side. So this increase is going up, up, and away to the other side, affecting this one and increasing. So the answer is A. So next question is here. Which change will shift the equilibrium to the right? So I chose D because I clearly had no idea what I was doing. But it's actually B. Now I'm going to start off with A so you can differentiate whether or not it's A or B, because some of you might be confused about that. So basically, if you increase the temperature, you're increasing the heat. So this is considered your stress, and anything next to the stress is going to be the opposite. So SO3 is decreasing. But like I said up before in number 14, when you increase the stress, you go up, up, and away to the other side, and both of these will increase. But that means it's going to be a shift to the left, and you don't want that because that's not what it's asking you. It's asking you which change will shift the equilibrium to the right. So your only other option would be increasing the pressure. And to make sure that's correct, what you would do is you would see. So basically, when you increase the pressure, it's favoring the side that has the fewer molecules. And you can see clearly here that 2 and 1, so 2 SO2s and 1 O2 is 3, and this only has 2 SO3s. So clearly, this side has this side has the fewer molecules. So it would be favoring the right side. So that's why it's B. Okay. So question 18. Which change causes the equilibrium to shift to the right? So, basically, I'm gonna tell you why it can't be D. It can't be D, because if you're increasing the heat, you will be decreasing this one, and you would be increasing these two, and you want to shift the equilibrium to the right, not the left. It can't be decreasing pressure, because if you're decreasing pressure, what would happen is it would favor the side with the most molecules, and the side with the most molecules is actually the left side, because this has 3 and this has 2. And so it is B. Well, it can't be A because that makes no sense. It has nothing to do with equilibriums. It's just irrelevant to the question. But B, if you're adding more O2, you're adding it, this side would be decreased because anything opposite, like, next to the stress is opposite of it. So this is decreasing. Like I said, up, up, and away to the other side. And this is shifting the equilibrium to the right. So that is why the answer is B. Let's see, the next questions I have here. So, I'm not actually sure how to explain this one, but I'm going to give it a shot. So, which change favors the reverse reaction? So, the reverse reaction is 2HIG to this, to the H2G plus I2G plus heat. So, the answer is decreasing the temperature. So, decreasing the temperature, if you decrease this, these two, I believe, would be increasing, and this would be decreasing. And I guess that would be right, because when you decrease the temperature, let's see, it would be favoring this side. It would be, no, actually, no, I'm wrong. I think it's because it's favoring the reverse. So if it's the reverse, it would be favoring this way. I actually don't know how to explain that one. I'm going to be honest. So let's go down. Given the equilibrium reaction in a closed system, what will be the result of an increase in temperature? So again, if you increase the temperature here, I believe these two will decrease and this will increase. So we'll shift to the right and HL will increase. So it was actually C, and the reason it's C is because if you increase the temperature, it's going to be shifting to this side. I don't know why I put a down arrow. I took this a long time ago, you guys. Now I understand my mistakes. Except for this question, I don't really know how to explain it. But, so you increase the heat, and it's going to be shifting to this side. This would also increase because up, up, and away to the other side. And again, yes, this will increase. So it's C. And that is pretty much it. I'm going to try to understand this right now. So I believe when you decrease the temperature, because, let's see, this would be down, and this would also be down. This would also be decreasing. So I guess because, this would be increasing. You're favoring this side. You're favoring this side. You aren't favoring. So you're shifting to the left. I guess that's why, because you're shifting to the left. So I'm pretty sure that's why it's B. I really hope you guys understood exactly what I was talking about. I'm sorry if I was a little confusing. If you really thought this video helped, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thank you for watching, and I really hope this helped. This was one of my first, I guess, informational videos, but, you know, I just learned this, like, right now. And I feel like I really wanted to help people, especially on YouTube, especially with Regents problems. So yeah, thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed. Bye.